Hello, crafters and Halloween enthusiasts. Today, we'll make a rustic book pumpkin for charming Halloween decor. In the middle of every to stay up to date, subscribe and hit the notification bell for fantastic DIY ideas. Difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Gather materials. Hardcover book. Orange paint. Brush. Twine. Glue gun. Stem. Scissors. Optional leaves, flowers. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the first step. Paint book pages with orange paint for that pumpkin hue and let it dry. Folding the pages, start with the top right corner, creating a diagonal line. Continue folding until the whole book looks folded. Secure the folded pages by applying hot glue along the spine, pressing them together tightly. Adding the stem, apply hot glue to the center of the book and press it down firmly. You can start decorating by adding twine or jute string around the stem. Feel free to get creative by adding autumn leaves or silk flowers for extra color. Now you have your very own DIY book pumpkin for a centerpiece or bookshelf decoration. Repurpose an old book and add an autumn touch to your home with this charming project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share your book pumpkin creations with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more creative DIY ideas. Have a wonderfully crafty and spooky Halloween season. This is Eccentric by Design, signing off.